Good morning, dear children. Today I'm going to teach you describing words. But before starting the topic, I would like to show you few things. Okay? So be ready. So children, here are few things in front of you. Now I'm going to tell you one sentence about each thing. Okay? So listen carefully. So first, let us see what are the things in front of us. This is a hairband. This is a mug. This is a watch. These are pens. This is a bangle. Now, I'm going to tell you one sentence about each thing. Okay? This is a large mug. What kind of mug it is? Large mug. Okay? Now, mug is a naming word. Yes or no, children? Yes. Mug is the name of a thing. Now, listen to the sentence again. This is a large mug. Now, see the next one. This is a beautiful watch. Okay? What kind of watch it is? Beautiful watch. Now you know that watch is a naming word. Now see. Now I'm having two pens over here. Now I'll say these are two pens. Pens is a naming word. And how many pens are these? Two pens. Now see the next one. What is it? Bangle. This is a round bangle. What kind of a bangle? Round bangle. It is round. Can you see? Okay. Now the next. Next is a hairband. This is a red hairband. What is the color of the hairband? It is red. Now hairband is a naming word. And what is the color of this hairband? It is red. So I'm repeating the sentences once more, children. This is a large mug. This is a beautiful watch. These are two pens. This is a round bangle. This is a red hairband. Now children, all the sentences which I said, in all the sentences, you get to know something more about the naming words. All these are naming words. Now, whatever sentences I told, so in the sentences you get to know something more about the naming words, right? How? This is a large mug. Now the word large is telling us about the naming word mug. So the word large is describing the mug. In the same way, this is a beautiful watch. Now in this sentence, the word beautiful is telling us about the watch. That watch is beautiful. So beautiful is describing watch. It is telling us about watch. That watch is beautiful. Now, these are two pens. The word two is telling us about the pens. How many pens? Two pens. Okay? It is describing the pens that there are two pens. Now, this is a round bangle. The word round is telling us about the bangle. Right? What kind of bangle? Round bangle. So the word round is describing bangle. Now, this is a red hairband. In this sentence, the word red is describing the hairband. What kind of hairband? Red hairband. So it is telling us about what? It is telling us about the hairband. So children, all these words like large, beautiful, two, round, red, all these words are known as describing words. Describing words are what, children? They are the words which tell us something more about naming words. Now open page number 16 of your grammar book. Look at these sentences. First, this is a fat hen. That is an empty basket. These are round tables. Ravi's shoes are black. These mangoes are sweet. In these sentences, the words fat, empty, round, black and sweet, they are describing words. The word fat describes the hen. What kind of a hen? Fat hen. Here, the word empty describes the basket. What kind of basket? Empty basket. Here, the word round describes what? It describes the tables. Round tables. In this sentence, the word black describes what? It describes the shoes. Black shoes. And in the next sentence, the word sweet describes the mangoes. What kind of mangoes? Sweet mangoes. So, all these words fat, empty, round, black and sweet are what? They are describing words. Describing words tell us about the color, shape and size of naming word. Now see, for example, brown socks, square window, big shop. So children, the naming words here are socks, window and shop. And the words like brown, square and big, they are describing words. Here, the word brown tells us more about socks. It tells us about the color of socks. Similarly, the word square tells us about the shape of window. And the word big describes the size of the shop. So the words brown, square and big are what? They are describing words because they tell us about the color, shape and size of different things. Like here it tells us about the color of socks, here shape of window and here size of shop. Then apart from color, shape and size, describing words also tell us about some special quality of a naming word. Like hot tea. What kind of tea? Hot. Dark clouds. Now here the word dark. So dark tells us about the special quality of clouds. What kind of clouds? Dark clouds. Describing words may also tell us how many there are or number of a naming word. Like here, 4 glasses. Now the word 4 here is describing word because it tells us more about glasses. How many glasses? 4 glasses. So, describing words tell us about the color, shape, size, special quality and number of a naming word. So, with these examples, we get to know that describing words are those words which tell us more about naming words. Now let's move to page number 17. Some describing words are provided in the box. So let's read them once. Easy, long, strong, fat, round, happy, tall. Now, using these describing words, you have to fill in the blanks. Let's read the first one. Mr. Lal is a dash man. Easy man, long man, what kind of a man? Strong man. Next, why is Alicia so dash? So which word describes Alicia here? Happy. Next, I cannot climb this dash coconut tree. Now what kind of coconut tree are we talking about here? Yes, tall. Next, Mrs. Yadav is very dash. She cannot pass through this door. So Mrs. Yadav is very fat. Next, these sums are dash. I can do all of them. So the sums are easy. Next, the ball has a dash shape. What kind of shape does the ball have? Round. Next, the giraffe has a dash neck. Giraffe is known for what kind of neck? Long. Now children, on page number 18, a story is given. Read the story and circle the describing words which are present in this story. So this is for your homework. I have written homework here. You don't write it here. Alright? You just have to read this story and circle the describing words which are given in it. That's all for today. Thank you.